Hey, are you yet to try Blue Spirulina? Then try my blue smoothie bowl made with frozen fruit and blue spirulina powder. The blue powder in the smoothie is blue spirulina. It is considered as a superfood not for the lovely vivid blue color it produces, but rather for the many positive health benefits. So here's the recipe for the days you miss the ocean. While you're sitting on the couch, you will be daydreaming about the waves lapping on the shore. As tranquil as the ocean is this blue smoothie bowl. Hello foodies, welcome back. Today we are making a gorgeous blue smoothie bowl. Apart from being delectable, whipping a smoothie also gives a chance to get creative. The possibilities are countless. So I added spirulina powder to mine and blended everything together to create a blue velvety smoothie. So what are you still holding out for? Come on and join me in the making of this delectable smoothie bowl. You will need 1 cup frozen banana, 1 cup frozen pineapple, half cup coconut milk, 1 TSP blue spirulina. For topping, kiwis, chia seeds, some desiccated coconut and dragon fruit. I'm going to plunge some stars out of this dragon fruit and banana and keep this aside. I feel the combination of smooth and crunchy textures as well as advantages of eating a nutrient-dense meal are what makes smoothie bowls so fantastic. This might work wonders for those of you who struggle consuming their daily dose of fruits. Spirulina is a nutrient-dense superfood that is considered to be among the planet's oldest forms of life. It is one of the world's healthiest foods, to put it simply. It has a lot of protein, carotenoids, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals that can actually protect cells from damage. Ample amounts of B vitamins are also present, which aid digestion, metabolism, immune function and energy levels. Use blue spirulina for all natural blue food color. The flavor of it is neutral and somewhat bitter. When combined with the fruit, I believe the bitterness to be almost undetectable. The flavor of the smoothie won't change. Everyone will adore this blue smoothie. This blue spirulina can be used as a natural food coloring in literally everything, including drinks, hummus, noodles, smoothies, detox lemonades, and even blue latte. This nutrient-dense bowl may keep you energized from breakfast till lunch or a sheer delight as an afternoon snack too. This is a vegan, paleo and dairy-free recipe made with just 4 ingredients, and this smoothie is going to be super fun for your kids also. It is packed with good for you ingredients that are high in antioxidants. So go for it.